Finding for nearby cafe? Well, good news for coffee lovers like you. There's a web-based coffee discovery tracker that helps you find, compare, and navigate to coffee shops across the country.
Hanap Kape is a web application para makatulong sa mga users natin na maghanap at mag-explore ng mga coffee shops dito sa Pilipinas. Pwede mo siyang gawing we, parang application na yung pwede mo i-add to home screen widget na para mag-action na application.
Some of Hanap Cape's features are to locate nearby coffee shops without consuming energy or gas to personally look for cafe, as well as compare menu prices across 660 plus items from popular brands. You can also personalize your coffee entries and view quick recommendations of best-selling items. Currently, the Hanap Cafe has a total of 16,300 coffee shops covering from Luzon to Mindanao. However, this only includes popular and local brands across the country. But there's another feature for small coffee businesses to be included in the tracker.
Meron akong feature na pwede nila i-register yung coffee shop nila. But nagbe-base lang din kasi ito sa Google Map. Soon, gagawa ko ng community para makatulong din na ma-update yung mga videos natin. But sa ngayon, ang mga nakalagay lang talaga diyan is yung mga known brands tsaka yung mga local brands ng mga coffee shops.
And as a coffee lover himself, Mark was also inspired by the growing popularity of coffee in the Philippines.
Coffee lover din talaga ako. And sa mga tropahan, minsan kahit sa mga workmates, nababanggit nila, saan ba may malapit na kapehan or saan tayo magkakape. So, ayun, isa siya sa mga naging inspiration ko rin. Chinek ko talaga kung may nag-i-exist ba na ganito. Yung specific lang talaga sa mga coffee shops. And upon checking naman, so far, wala pa naman talaga website na nag-i-exist na ganito rin.
A landing page is currently being developed, featuring history of Hanap Cafe and coffee shops, roadmap of what they finish, and others that will soon be available in the coming months. Kapatid Ray Vicente, we are One News.